Today we're going to make some flank steak fajitas. This is Wagyu flank steak. It's organic. So this is what it looks like. We've got our nice salsas over here. Green salsa, red chipotle salsa, some cheeses. By the way, I'm roasting this guy right here, which is a poblano chili. Now, they have different names when they're green than when they're dry, and I'm using a silicone bag to sweat this chili. Always use silicone, never use plastic because of the toxicity. We're going to leave it there, and the vapor in the skin, between the skin and the actual chili, is going to separate the skin. It's going to blister it, and it's going to be very easy to peel. That guy, we're going to put it in some rajitas or some strips, and then put it in a cheese that's in the oven. So we were talking about the fajitas. What are we going to do with the fajitas? This is a new spin on fajitas. This is a sous vide fajitas. So what we're going to do is we vacuum pack them. We've added some oregano, some garlic, some olive oil, a little bit of salt, and now we are going to vacuum pack this a little further. There you go. And then we're going to submerge it in a bath, a water bath, right here, which is controlled water bath because I'm using a sous vide probe, 129 degrees for like an hour and a half. And this is completely submerged. We're going to leave it in here. And what's going to happen is that as that cooks for 129 degrees, it will not dry out the meat. Usually meats actually get lose about 20 or 30% simply from the humidity, but it will also break down the fibers of the muscle and cook to a perfect 129 degrees. It can never get any higher or overcooked simply because the water is at 129 degrees. At the end of this, we're going to pull it out. It don't look good yet, but we're going to need to put it on the direct flame so we can get those nice, beautiful grill marks. And this is going to taste to perfection. I'll show you the pictures, post the pictures afterwards.